Alright, boys, welcome to another Events of Code video. This is going to be day 6. Now, I've read it during work. I just got back. So, let's get to it. So, basically, they have this race, and the mechanic is that you can like charge your boat. And the longer you charge your boat, the faster it goes when you release it. So, basically, you have different races that you're given. And you want to Well, at least from what I understand for part one is you want to find the number of ways you can beat the record. So time is how long the race is and distance is like the record. And they provide the example like you hold button. So how long you hold a button dictates how long you will travel when you release. So I think you could do brute force. Now I have no doubt that this is going to get much harder, but it is what it is. Well, actually, what am I doing? I should be taking the example inputs. Okay, so let's do a little scan. So let's do times is equal to scanner next line dot trim. I think trim gives me what I want, which is it removes unnecessary white spaces. So it condenses all the consecutive white spaces to just one. I hope that's what it does. Wait, that's not what it does. Dang it. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just have to do this manually. Times dot split. Filter it is not blank. Dot drop one. It's to int. So hopefully this gives me the times. And I do the same thing for distances. Distances. Alright. So how big is the input? It's not that bad. So I'll just do this brute force. So I time in yeah, so well I can hold it for 0 seconds. But like why would you do that? 1, 2 okay, no, I need to do this indices. What the heck is I then? And then for I in uh, it's just simple math, I think. So you would do if I think it's time minus I. times I is bigger than distance. Yeah, then we just multiply everything together. So 0 times 0, 1, then minus 1, 6. I think that's the answer. So what do I get? 288. So if we just do the example input, should be. I don't think it's overflowing. Okay. That's a piece of paper raised times. What the heck is a kerning? What? Okay. So how does that change? So I could theoretically just run this. Is it? I don't think it's that slow. It's only 60 million. Like, it's gonna take a few seconds, sure. I think this is it. I guess I'll just rename this to answer. And I do the same thing here. So just say join to string to int. Should be fine. Number format exception. How is that even possible? So I filter the blank. Oh, it's too big. Maybe? But how's it getting that? Oh, this is too long. Yes. Well, that's it. So you can actually just try it. You can just. I don't know why part two is this easy. To be honest, I thought it'd be harder. Like they should have just made time much longer. Then what you would have to do is you have to do binary search on like the beginning and the end time where you can still beat the record because like you can look at the example and realize that you're dealing with a convex function. So just do a binary search to find beginning and end times. And I think that would have made a much more interesting challenge. But then I guess they have to make it so you use big integer, which isn't possible in all the languages. So I guess that's fair. GG boys.